PSG College of Technology, autonomous from academic year 1978-79. The programs of the college are recognized all over India and abroad. The college maintains close interaction with several R&D institutions and institutions of higher learning in India and abroad through institutional network programs and collaborative research programs. And the college has signed MOU with research organizations and industries in order to promote closer interaction with other institutions in the areas of technology development, training of students, curriculum updating, and development of state-of-art centers. The vision of PSG is it aspires to be recognized as one of the leaders in engineering education, research, and application of knowledge to benefit society. And vision is to provide world-class engineering education, foster research and development, evolve innovative applications of technology, encourage entrepreneurship, ultimately mold young men and women capable of assuming leadership of society for the betterment of country. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. Courses offered at PSG are BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BTech Chemical Engineering, BE Aeronautical Engineering, BE Mechatronics, BTech Computer Science and Business Systems, BE Instrumentation and Control Engineering, BE Robotics and Automation Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BTech Information Technology, BE Civil Engineering, BE Biomedical Engineering, BE Automobile Engineering, BTech Food Technology, BTech Biotechnology, BTech Textile Technology, BE Production Engineering, BE Metallurgical Engineering. The eligibility for PSGCT is it offers various courses at UG level. The basic eligibility criteria to pursue any UG program is Class 12. It offers BE or BTech in 15 specializations, and the BE BTech admission is based on TNEA counseling, and the counseling code is 2006. PSGTC also offers BSc in 2 specializations, and candidates seeking admission to BSc in Computer System and Design need to appear for online test in mathematics. PSGCT offers integrated MSc in 4 specializations, and the eligibility are listed. And for BE and BTech, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Biotechnology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, the eligibility criteria is Class 12 in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics or equivalent with 50% aggregate. And for Integrated MSc, the eligibility is Class 12 in Mathematics and Physics as compulsory subjects from a recognized board. And these criteria is for specialization in theoretical computer science, software systems, data science, fashion design and manufacturing. And for BSc, applied science and computer system and design, the eligibility criteria is Class 12 with mathematics, physics and chemistry. Facilities at PSG are water, drinking water is ozone based purified, and water doctor in mess and in all blocks, 3 per block. Solar water heater with hot water supplied to all blocks. Hostel is managed by Hostel Residence Council consisting of patron, chief warden, wardens, manager, deputy wardens, resident tutors and student representatives. Library has 32 magazines, 6,000 textbooks for all department and 17 daily newspapers. Recreation, television is provided for each block, common recreation hall and indoor games. Medical care, PSG hospital facilities for 24 hours. An ambulance will reach within 5 minutes over intercom telephone call, and a car is available always during night time for taking students to hospital for health care in case of emergency. Physical education. The college has sufficient facilities for both indoor and outdoor games for the students to practice and conduct intercollegiate tournaments, intramural sports and coaching camps. An open-air stadium with a stage and pavilion on both sides, which can accommodate about 1,000 students, is available. Modernized kitchen, the hygienic steam cooking at all 5 messes. And the other facilities are stationery shop, snack bar, washing machine. Each block has 3 numbers, and Dobie point, each block has 1 point. Tailor for gents and ladies, saloon, beauty parlor, gym, playground, weekly movie on every Saturdays, self-improvement courses, yoga, painting, and telephone, 9 point lines, 7 hunting lines, and 80 extensions and 8 coin boxes. Power supply, uninterrupted power supply for 24 hours. Placement at PSG. The more than 90 reputed national and multinational companies visit PSG institution for the campus recruitment annually. The institution has very impressive placement record and it is available in the hyperlink available. PSG College of Technology is ranked one among the top 15 national level technician institutes in terms of number of students receiving placement offers from reputed organizations from all over the country. Internship is also provided, which provides exposure for the student to gain experience in a selected domain and to observe the best practices that are currently being followed in the industries. PSG allows internship to be taken by the students during their final semester. These opportunities are provided by the individual departments with approval of the HODs and also by the placement section as a part of recruitment. Students who are in fast track B or BTech are available from December to May for taking internships. Students take up internships in core and IT based companies. Internships at companies give value addition to the student community to make them ready for taking the real world challenges when they take up job positions. Comparison for PSG College of Technology from 2015 to 2017 is from 89% to 97%. And the cutoff marks needed for TNEA counseling is between 198 to 199.75. College counseling code for PSG is 2006. You can contact college at 0422 2572 177, 2572 477, 4344 777. Website www.psgtech.edu. College is located at Post Box number 1611, Peelamedu, Coimbatore 641004. Mail at principal@psgtech.ac.in.